Hey guys, welcome back. Let's start today's session. Okay. So let's say you have joined a company. So what happened? They will give you this software. This is the software which we will use to access the SAP. Okay. So this is the base software. Okay. This software IT team will set up in your system, even though they will set up this credential. Okay. This is for those people who is working in any organization. Okay, now let's say you want to use SAP for practice for educational things. Okay, so how will you approach? So first of all, we need this setup file. So you can download this setup file from SAP download center. Okay, but one thing over here, you will need a S user ID. Okay, uh, okay. If let's say if you are using your personal ID, that ID will be a P user ID. So from that ID you can't download. So what is the alternate solution? Okay. So for this, there are a lot of vendors. We can connect with them and we can ask for the this setup, and even though this credential also. Okay, if all this credential, they'll give you the server, system ID, instance number. Okay. uh, in the below video link, I will provide the WhatsApp group, so you can join over there. And there are many vendors, so you can take from anyone. So at best price, you will get it from there. Okay. Okay. Now, let's say you got the file. What is the next step? You will install in your system. Once the installation is done, it will be totally blank. Okay. Now the next step is to add the this server. Okay. So how you will do it? Click on the connection, click on next. Okay, this information will your vendor will provide. Okay, so I've just taken an example over here. So what we'll need, you can provide any description. System ID will be required, instance number will be there, even the routing string will be there, depends on the server configuration. There is another part which is like application server. So based on these details, once you have done enter this detail, just click on next. After that, you can just log in your system. Now the next step. Okay, after this it will be added over here. Now what I need to do, just double tap over here. Okay, now provide the this client will be default. Here it's not default. Provide your user ID. Okay, uh, now provide the password to log in. Okay, so in this way we can set up the GUF, this GUI setup, SAP GUI setup, and we can log in. Okay. Okay, so in this way we can log in, but when you're working in any company, your company might have various SAP systems across the landscape. So you will have this is the general way. You will have dev, quality, and PRD. So all these server will be added over here. Let's think in this way. First one will be dev, as for HANA dev, or dev system, then quality, then PRD. Okay, so in this way the server will be set up. Okay, now let's see what is SAP Easy Access screen. So once you have login, the screen which you are seeing, we call it as a SAP Easy Access screen. This screen will be used for end users. Okay, they will use it. Okay, when you see the screen, there will be a user menu. Then it's taking time. Okay, okay. Now there is a SAP menu. Okay, now what is a user menu and SAP menu? Okay. We'll see SAP menu, standard SAP menu. Okay, user menu, the transition available according to the user assigned roles. Okay, let's see over here. So when we click on SAP menu, so all this menu will be available here. So let's say I want to create a order. Okay, now I can just go in this way, sales, then order, then this create. So I can create this sales order. So business name will use in this way. Either, so now what we have done, we have this is the complete path. So the T code was VA01. Even though when you are working, there might be a chance this VA01 come. based on this setting, so we can control this over here, display technical names. If I remove it, if I go again over logistic, sales and distribution, sales, order, you see now it's not coming. So this is control over here, setting. Okay, when I click over here again, I can see the T code. Okay, now let's say you're working, end user is working. They won't go daily, like they need to do it again and again for a whole day. They won't go in this way. So there is another option. The T code is V01. So we'll go with as a user menu. Okay. Okay. So what we can do over here, just click on favorite, right click over there, insert transition. Okay. Provide the transition, which is VS01, what we have seen over here. Continue. You see, so next time when we want to create order, we can directly click over here and we can create the order. Even though I don't want this name, we can change it also. Okay, so so anyway, whatever way you want, you can do this way. You can rename it also. Okay, there are various option also, insert folder, lot of things. You can just explore this thing. Okay, now let's see what is SPRO IMG screen. Okay, till now we have seen the easy access screen. Okay, this will be used by the end user. Now this screen, the T code is SPRO. This screen will be used by SAP consultant. Just click on SAP reference IFG. So here we can see the complete configuration path. Okay. So let's read over here. SPRO is the main transition used by consultant for SAP configuration. Okay. What is the full form for SPRO? So it is like SAP project reference object. What does this IMG mean? IMG means implementation guide. So it will help you to implement the configuration. Okay, let's see. Okay, now considering the scenario, I want to set up related to sales part. Okay, now I want to set up the this what we have seen, sales organization. Okay, so there is something wrong in the system. Let me just go again over there. Okay, SAP reference IMG. Okay, enterprise structure. So this will guide you. So I want to configure the enterprise structure. Okay, now I want to define it. So I will go in definition. Now I can just go here. I need to configure related to sales and distribution. So I will go here. I'll just define over here. Okay. So before going here, you can see there is a documentation part. So this complete guide is there for like if you want to understand, you can just read this whole document. You can understand for which scenario this particular section will be used. Okay. Okay. Now let's see the SAP basic command. Okay. So this will be helpful if you're in any screen and you want to navigate. This will be helpful. Okay, let me just go to any screen. So now I'm in a easy access screen. Even though from here I can navigate to any other screen. So let's say I'm in a T code VA01. I want to close this T code. Let's say there is another T code to create delivery. I want to open it. So there is one way. As I click on back, then I will come to this easy access screen. Then I will provide the delivery T code VL01N. So this is the one way. Now the another way, let me just go back again, VA01. Okay, now I want to quickly go in another I want to close the screen and open another screen. What I will do, I will use the command \n, then I will provide the T code, which is VL01N. In this way I can just close the current screen and I will open the another screen in the same screen only. So here like it is written, close current transition, open new in same session. Okay, now there is another \o. So this will be helpful to open transition in new session. Okay, now let's see this \o. So it will open transition new screen. Okay, without closing the current screen. Now we have used \n. Now we'll use \o. Let's say I want the existing screen also and I want another screen also. So in what scenario it will be helpful? Let's say if I am in a display mode VS03, I'll go with the T code VS03 just to display the order. If I am in the screen, I am seeing some order. Okay, I want with reference now I need another screen. So, okay, I don't want to close the screen. I'm already working. So what I'll do, I'll just provide \o, then I'll go with the T code what I need to open. So VL01N. So it will open new screen without closing the existing screen. Okay. Now let's see another this same thing. Okay. Even though when you provide this \o, it will open it \o create session. Okay. So it will open new screen. So basically \n means close the current screen. O means open new screen, and when you provide the T code next to that, it will open the new screen along with that particular T code. Okay. Or either way, you can just close it in this way also. Okay. So one thing I have not written over here. Okay, it is written over here. So let's say I want to log out. There are multiple screen is open. I want to log out. So what I will do, I will just use the \n e and d. Okay, when I enter, so it will give me a pop-up. Do you want to log out? Unsafe data will be there. Okay, so I can check and then I can, if I click on yes, it will log out. Okay, now there is another \nex. Okay, so when you enter this T code \nex and you hit enter, you will log out without any warning. See, the SAP got log out. So that's all for today's session. If you have any doubt, just comment below. If you like the video, please hit a like button. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.